The background property is used to add background style to the HTML element. The first one is background color. By background color, you can add color to the HTML element. I wanna add gray color. My background becomes gray. And the second one is background image. By background image, you can add image to your element, and the way of that is like this. And in here you have to specify the image destination, and remember this, that you have to put your image inside the same folder of your HTML. Let's see. This is our image, and after that we have background repeat. If you choose repeat X, your image will be displayed origin X. If you choose repeat Y, your image will be displayed origin Y. And if you choose no repeat, your image will be displayed once time. Now let's see. The origin X will be displayed, and I want to choose no repeat. My image only displayed once time. And by image background position, by background position you can set position to the image. For example, I wanna choose center, and you can choose left, right, top, bottom, like this. I wanna choose center, and my image goes to the center. And by background size, you can specify the size of your image. For example, I want to choose 500 pixel. Now let's see it. My image becomes larger. And by background attachment, you can choose fixed or scroll. If you choose scroll, your background will be scrollable, and if you choose fixed, your background will be fixed. For example, I want to choose fixed. This fixed, and if I choose scrollable, my image will be scrollable. Look like this. Thank you guys for your attention, and if you have any question, post it at the comment section.